Halala is pregnant with Ntutuko's baby. Her father is going to be so disappointed. Blessed is not giving up. She's busy fishing for information. She even got an opportunity to poison Mdala. Teresa questions Gidiboni about Poco's father. And Kasa is left on the side because Gidiboni is like she wants to go back to Bukos. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Blessed is on a mission to find out on what had really happened to Sanka and expose Mdala. She's now asking Tlhogi some questions about her relationship with Mdala. Tlhogi, because she's busy giving her information where it hasn't always been roses. You've had problems. Now, Blessed even got an opportunity to poison Mdala. She's putting something on his tea. And you know how this whole situation went, but like Tlhogi had an affair with Usanka and Dala caught them together in bed and Dala decided, you know what, and went on and killed Sanka, Amoyapela, Amoyahalal books. And this guy, Linda, saw him buying Maplanka and wanted to expose him, but Dala being who he is, he threatened Linda. Now Linda's feeding this blessed girl, Darlene, Sanka's sister information. She even went and gotten a job at Level Up Apartments. So now Mdala is in trouble because she even offered a reward, and after Taps Amuchushe tried to derail her, she decided to let them relax and act as if she's letting this whole thing go. Khanti, she's busy. Now she's even close to them and wants to attack them from the inside. And then relationship to Tugoli Halalelo, they met at the party levels that day. The day that Umpumi, they had their party, the party level up apartments, and Umpumi died. Now that's linking up and they've even started dating. And then they continue sleeping together. I think that on the day that they on the day of the party, they actually probably didn't even use protection, and now Halalelo is pregnant. Yo, her father's going to be so disappointed. I remember when they were talking about gender reveal Kamadlomo, Tutuko was going on about, no, babies are so expensive. I'm liking Jegutak say mean, and I don't even see this happening for me because I might go to jail. Kanti usheshe wakhuluma uTutuko now ngikhalela now is pregnant carrying his child. Umntwana bamenze badakiwe kenjalo, and night he does not even remember. Yo, Victor Rafa, Bridget, she's gonna have to come through for him. Because Victor now is worried, guy, since I've started paying go level up apartments. Bridget had to keep the secret and not tell Victor, hey, ngwana ha wa podula mo, because is living with Bridget and goes out every time Victor comes to visit. But Bridget, being the good stepmother that she is, she decided to keep Khalele's secret as long as she knows ngwana is safe. And then Toriso questions Gidiboni about Papa Poko, saying that she had her and Kukutubela Babulela ka Papa Poko, Horikibukos. Now, Gidiboni is shocked because I think Torres is going to persuade Gidiboni to tell Poko the truth because Poko asked Papa Hai and thinks so Papa Hai neglected him and didn't want to see him. Hanti Papa Hai did not even know he existed. Now, it's like Bokos even went to the supermarket, Obana Gidiboni, Kasa, Ababona, now he's asking who's this person because now Gidiboni is acting jumpy. Gidiboni even refused for them to go in a getaway because she's busy entertaining this thing. How goes? Is Gidiboni having second thoughts because Gidiboni pedo solo joliwe? She's now Mrs. Gas. Mrs. Gas now. Why is she? But I understand it's such an emotional moment for her because it's not like because she didn't want her. Kimama Hayama who ruined the whole thing for her. And now she can't help but wonder how life would have been if Matubele had not intervened and ruined their life. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.